Alright, what is going on? So today I am on the highway heading out to Duarte. It's about a 30-mile drive, 30 minutes thankfully because there's no traffic. But I'm going to the Best Buy out there because that was one of the closer Best Buys that had a specific battery I'm looking for in stock. And I figured I'd go to this Best Buy because right around the corner is a Sonic drive-in, and it has been probably a year at least since I last went to Sonic. But I really miss it because I actually used to go to Sonic back when I lived in Connecticut all the time with my buddy John. We would take our cars out there, usually later at night, hang out, eat, and then we would head over to this go-kart place across the street. And actually, funny story, one night when we met up at Sonic, he used to have this old Mitsubishi Eclipse, and it was really riced out, you know, like loud exhaust, giant wing on the back. And on his way to Sonic, he got pulled over because his light was out on the front of the car. But of course, after he got a ticket for that, he pulls into Sonic and he tells me what happened, and I'm like, what do you mean your light is out? He looks at the light and the light was not out. There was literally a short for the short period of time the officer saw the car, and it fixed itself by the time he pulled into Sonic. So we're gonna go and pick up that battery and grab a nice burger from Sonic, do a motorcycle style drive-in. But on the way there, I thought it would be a good time to give an update on sort of what's been going on behind the scenes and everything. Again, like, everything's kind of opening up again. Things are starting to pick back up in terms of work for me, and it's definitely a little bit of a balancing act trying to get all of that stuff done, but of course at the same time trying to pursue this passion of, you know, motorcycles and cars and video creation. So I hope you can bear with me if there's, at least for a little bit longer, more motovloggy, quick and easy kind of content that I can kind of point and shoot for the most part. And there's really a lot of work that goes on for any kind of, you know, review video, or even the first ride videos are difficult because another aspect is the fact that I need access to motorcycles or cars, and that's not easy to get. But hopefully all of this will change in the future. But yeah, until then, hopefully you guys can bear with me as I try and figure all this whole thing out. Now, there is a special video coming soon, and hopefully it'll be next week, but if not, the following week. And I wanted to do this canyon video in my car, and that is also coming soon, but I need a new tripod. My tripod that I have right now is broken, and I do not trust putting my camera on it because it could just fall off unexpectedly. So I'm working on getting a new tripod, that way I can mount the camera in my car. And yeah, I think it's best to just wait until I have everything ready and make a quality video that is gonna live on the internet for who knows how long, you know. I'd rather put the time and effort into the initial creation of the video versus cutting corners. This little road trip is also a good test for the quad lock mount that I just installed recently. Highway speeds don't seem to be any issue for this thing, and of course I have my Klipsch headphones plugged in today because, again, I'm on the highway. I love how earbuds are able to seal out so much noise. I don't have to hear the wind noise, the loud exhaust noise. It'll help protect the ears and of course reduce the fatigue from being exposed to loud noises for such a long period of time. Let's see if we can pick up the speed here a little bit. I'm getting a little bored from going so slow, you know. What a beautiful day though. It is really hot out, so testing out this jacket for sure. I think it's gonna be over 100 degrees today out here in Southern California. It might even be hotter out in the inland, so we'll see how that goes. Chain feels great though from the last video. I actually haven't ridden this bike since the last video. It's been over a week since I've been on this bike, which is crazy. Like, that never happens, but it's just been that busy that I just have not gotten on the bike. I haven't had time. You know, it's Sunday right now. I'm recording this video to go out tomorrow. I still got work to do aside from editing this video, I got other editing work going on because that is what I do for a living. You know, it's just, there's just so much going on. So appreciate everyone for watching the content that I have available to release right now. But I promise, it is gonna get better. I just need a little bit of time, and I still need to figure out some things with the gear. There's still gear that I need. Hoping to get a drone even at some point, but the world is crazy. I'm doing crazy things, so bear with me if you can, please. Let's see, we got 5.5 miles to Mountain Ave. Sounds familiar. Yeah, it's definitely warm out here. This jacket is really an air conditioner without power. Very comfortable out right now. On again, a 100-degree day. It's like 100 degrees out. So another thing I'm going to start doing is HDR photos. I'm excited to introduce that onto my Instagram, and maybe even you'll see some on here every once in a while. But yeah, go follow me on Instagram. You can find the link in the description. You'll find a lot of content on there, either before a video comes out or even after a video comes out. There'll just be a lot of content on there that you wouldn't see anywhere else. Alright, that wasn't too bad of a ride, really, at all. I haven't been in these mountains in forever, especially like Rim of the World Highway. I haven't been over there in forever. Next time I go out there, though, I'll have my camera for sure. See, I see the Best Buy, and I know Sonic is like somewhere like right behind it on that street up there. That wasn't too bad at all. No traffic, thankfully. Okay, so like right here, apparently. Trying to figure this out. Water pickup 2. Yeah, let's see if this is a good spot for it. Oh yeah, it's hot when you stop moving, that's for sure. Phone is overheating, of course. Oh, look at this. We got a bike over here. Looks like an R6. White. Alright, wanted to go check out this bike over here. There's another bike just pulled up here too. Check out this R6. There's a rider here. So I pretty much decided on just standing there, waiting to get my order, and then riding over here, that I am gonna be taking this food to go, because there's no way I am gonna sit out in this heat and eat a burger. I am just sweating to death right now. It is packed here. Holy, it is swamped. Jeez. Well, in that case, I actually changed my mind. I will not be getting Sonic today. There's no way I'm gonna wait an hour with my bike heating up. Even if I turn it off, I'm still gonna be burning to death. Alright, let's divert. Let's abort mission. Going wrong way. Sonic is just messed up right now. They're in some trouble. Jeez. People can't even get through, just want to get through. Yeah, I'm not waiting that. There's no way. It's just 100 degrees out. Alright. I don't even know what else can we do. I don't even know where else I can get some food right now. Dickies sounds pretty good, but it also sounds a little too heavy for what I'm in the mood for. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick battery swap just to make sure I can record the whole way home, and we'll go ahead and finish up this moto vlog for today. Alright, yeah, so got the battery swapped. I'm gonna go ahead and give up on the Sonic here. It's just too busy. Even if there's like a spot open for me to pull into, it's gonna be a long wait for food, and it's just way too hot out for that. So sorry, Sonic. Hopefully next time. CarMax. Yeah, that's a video I'm gonna make soon, is what kind of cars I'm looking at, because again, I like anything with an engine or a motor. There's quite a few cars on my list of cars I'd like to at least drive, and cars that I plan to hopefully own one day, but I'll save that for another video. There's a lot to talk about on that. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap up this video. I'm gonna head home, just make something to eat at home. Kind of disappointing that Sonic was that busy. I was not expecting that at all. I mean, it is the weekend, but like, I've never seen it that busy before. But yeah, we got the battery. This quad lock is holding up pretty good on the highway. I wanted to test that out. So until next time, peace.